Aloha everybody, Hawaii's only. Thanks for joining the channel. We are throwing net in Hawaii. I suck at this form or technique of fishing. I know how to do it, I know how to teach it on the sand, but when you're actually out in the water, it's super different. But it's super good fun to practice, to learn new things, scout new grounds, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's a good one. Okay, guys. They're just, yeah, do it. They're more towards this. So this is me and my brother, my good friend Sarah Robbins and his family. We got the kids on the beach or in the water, kind of watching, checking us out. We're showing them what to do. Like I said, I suck at this form of fishing, throwing net. Brother Isaiah is actually pretty good at it. He just started too, but he's a lot better at throwing than I am. So we had a couple unsuccessful throws earlier, so now we're like tag teaming. We're scouting. I'm in the water, as you guys can see, and I'm kind of directing. Oh, the fish is here, the fish is there. But yeah, super good fun day. I cannot wait till the day where we're good enough where we don't need a scout. We can just throw on fish. But yeah, until that day comes, we're tag teaming it. And check this out, super nice throw. So yeah, as you guys can tell, perfect throw, covered the fish pile. I'm over here slapping the water. That's what that sound is, just to scare the fish into the net so they don't run into any of the ledges or the cracks. But yeah, good throw, and this is all we need for the second throw. And yeah, we got these kids, and we're just gonna go and clean some fish and fry it up. So enjoy, stick around for the rest of the video. I'm gonna show you guys some fried fish with black bean sauce. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. My name is Kale D. Shanks. If you're joining us for the first time, we do catch and cook videos here in Hawaii. Today we're throwing net. We got some fish for the fish fryer. We're gonna do some fried fish with black bean sauce. We produce videos every Wednesday and Saturday, twice a week. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen in just a little bit. All right. So the two fish we got in the net today is a manini, which is a convict tang. It's a yellow fish with some stripes going down. And the other one is a brown surgeon fish. It's like a baby palani, but this species actually only gets to be about this size. Also known as ma'i'i. And so we're gonna take these back to the house. We're gonna show these kids. Right now we're just giving them a lesson on how to clean the fish. You know, so we don't gotta do it in the future, you know what I mean? We get our oil to 350 degrees. We put some salt and pepper on top of this fish. We drop it in the fryer, and then we work on our black bean sauce. As you guys can see, this is just plain fried fish. The kids love it. To do the black bean sauce, I have a tutorial that I just opened up, which will show you how to do this exact black bean sauce recipe. But thank you guys for joining us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll end it with the kids just jamming and skanking out to some Kaikena Scanlon. All right, we'll see you guys next week for another video, next week Saturday. Aloha, guys.